join in and then mnipe suggestion, and tusirudie the same pairs tena. Pairs which can be traded na account ya 100 USD. Unless you get a very good entry on how is it called? Na nini itaanguka. Crash 600 will drop. Crash 600 itasell. Hiyo ni double top iko nayo hapo. Ili break mpaka resistance. Hiyo market ita crash 600 will drop. That's a double top. That market has a double top. Tumefika hatua ngapi? Nataka mnipe suggestion. Which pair am I covering up today? Crash 300 iko sell. Kwa nini hii kitu initolewe? Sijui kwa nini dini yangu update. Comments, update comments. Good morning, mkoaje? Akipole. Today I'm a bit late. Sorry, today nimechelewa. Sioni hizo pia. Zamani nini yangu net yangu update. Let me see. Sioni comments any, naona tu comment moja. I do not usually use this one at all. Sioni hizo pia zenye mnataka ni cover up. Juu class hiyo ingine inaitangwa aje? I think nilitoka via 100 mapema. Hii step index wani tutashinda tumerudia step index. Step index tufanye step index jana tena leo tena. Heri. Surely. Hakuna kitu imechange. What you're going to do ni kupea mtapea step index time kipande. Nataka kuandika hizo. Jana hatukuangalia pound USD. Na need book ya kuandika nionange pia zenye nimecover up. Crash 500 okay. Nataka nini? Pen. Crash 300, crash 600. Okay, so leo ni volatility. Tukave pairs 5 only. 5 of them. Nataka kuandika hizo pairs zenyewe. Step index hatuwezi fanya tena. Tulifanya leo. Tulifanya leo jana, tulifanya bado leo, hatuwezi fanya crash. Hatuwezi fanya step index leo tena. We're gonna check it on this crash 500. And crash 300. 1, 2, 3. Hizo, I think those are enough. Mwenye hata ni discuss kenye nataka, then I'm done. So, crash 500. Oh fuck. Sahii mnanisikia? Sorry. Poleni, sikuwa nimenotice. All along nimekuwa muted. The fuck. Ebu nianzishe hii video ama acha tu nayo. Sorry. Sikuwa. Saizi nasikika. Mtu aniambia kama nasikika saizi. Juu wallahi sijui ni aje sisikiki. Can anyone hear me? Why is my internet so slow? Or what is going on with my internet today? Again. So mnanisikia pole, sikuwa nimejua nimejimute. Now listen. Now we can hear you. Unasikika saa hizi. Sikuwa nasikika all along? Oh Jesus. Poleni, I didn't know sikuwa nasikika. Now, nimesema nipewe suggestion. Already tuko na pound USD, crash 500, crash 300. Which other pair? Which other pair do you want me to cover up? Sorry, sikuwa najua sisikiki. Which other pair? Step index rudi. Step index, give it time. I said it's gonna buy, just give it time. Itasumbua. Hiyo location yenye iko. Hiyo market itasumbua. Hakuna anything else tunaweza angalia hapo kwa step index. We have said pound USD crash 500 crash. So I start with what? I start with Forex. Let me start with volatility. We're going to start with crash 500, yes? Crash 500. Ni yenyewe tunaangalia leo. Aya, so this is crash 500. Hii hapa juu. We are on weekly. Let's go on monthly. Monthly crash 500 inakaa hivyo. On monthly setup, crash 500 inakaa hivyo. The first thing you usually do is support and resistance. Those are the first thing we're going to check on. Support and resistance. And this one is on monthly candlestick. One candlestick is representing 1 month, right? So we're going to draw the support and the resistance. So our market is consolidating inside hapa. So the next thing we're going to check on is we go on weekly. Our weekly market inakaa hivyo. So our weekly market inakaa hivi. This is it's called what? This is crash 500. Now the next thing tutachora ni trend line. Unaona hii market imetoka side ya chini ikapanda. This is on weekly and then ikashuka. So what does this market has? It has this. So this is on weekly candlestick. This is market which has been going up. Oh, yeah, tunaonyesha. Nataka kuchora vizuri. First of all, we had this. Sorry, let me draw something we had. We had this. So our market, meaning our market should go up. Tuko na kitu kama hii. Sio mnaona. Chata nitoe hiyo line. Nimechora dots. Market yetu inapanda side ya juu. Inaenda hivi. So dots za tatu za channel. We know how to draw a channel in Forex. The 3 dots, they usually dictate. Because our market is forming on the upper side, it's going up. It has dropped. It's going up. We're going to use these 3 dots on the lower side. And then we place and you're going to dot moja on the upper side. So we have something like that. So on the real sense, crash 500 should go up, right? We go to daytime frame. Tukienda kwa daytime frame, we had something like this. You see here, 1, 2, let me show you. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is a week, so market ija break side ya chini. This is just weeks. And then I bring this one on the upper side. Not this. The market did what? Market ilikuja, ika break. Hizi ni channels. I'll teach you how to draw channels, right? They're very, very important in Forex. You have to know how to draw them. So our market is forming on this upper side. The market is forming. Oh, my video is 1 minute. I clear the video. I do not know if it's my internet or I need an option. I need another option for my video. Holding my camera easier in the video. I think size is really poor. So market ikakuja ikabreak. Hii ni tunafaa tuende hivi juu. But ni venye tupande, we're gonna measure this one. This is here. So the first target tuko nayo, hii market inafaa iende juu hivi. Crash 500, we have a buy. I think I gave a buy on this market. Yes, and yesterday we were in very good profit. Hii market itabuy. First of all, unaweza kuwa na interest sana na hii resistant. Unaona hapa? Hapa kwenye hii resistant iko. The same position the market should go up. Sijui kama nime explain poa. This is crash 500. Sijui kama mnanisikia poa. I don't know. Oh Jesus. Oh, nimeget kwa nini net yangu inafanya slow. Ujea. Saizi nimeona, sorry. Saizi sijui kama mnaniona. My internet was dragging. In case it drag mniambie. We have a bullish na nini na crash 500. Did a retest, inafaa ipande hapa hivi juu. Hivi. Inafaa ikujadi hapa. Crash 500 iko buy. Sijui kama nilituma hii setup kwa group. Iko buy, it's supposed to go on buy hivi. Tuko na market inaenda hivi. On weekly, in weekly, ini crash 500 on weekly. Iko kwa channel, inapanda, inashuka, ikafika, ikaguza hapa na hapa. So inafaa ipande hadi huku juu. Another thing, ni venye upate entry kwa sababu that is on weekly, we go to daytime frame. Daytime frame unaona. Tulifanya nini? Market yetu inachezea hii channel ndani. Waka break, they did a retest and the market is supposed to go distant X of here. The distance the market is supposed to go. This is a trade I was telling you, crash 500. I bought it with a lot of 2. It's supposed to go up to here. It's supposed to pay how much? It's supposed to pay almost 1,000 USD. It's supposed to pay about almost 1,000 USD. Let's see how it behaves by the end of this week. But crash 500, it's on buy. It's on buy. It will go on buy. Crash 500 will go on buy. It's supposed to come. Our most interested level on here. Ukimesha tu hii distant X. Is the distance the market is supposed to go hadi hapo. So hadi hapo the market is supposed to pay almost supposed to pay 1,000 USD. Hapo it's supposed to come up to there, right? It's supposed to kupanda kutoka hapa hadi hapa. Yesterday it had really paid us well. I didn't even take profit. Yesterday we had let me see. We placed our trade here, tulibaia hapa. So yesterday it was in a very good profit. It was around, yesterday it had a profit of around 160. Yes, up to, but the market is supposed to come up to here. Supposed to pay 1,000 USD. So let's give it time. It will pay the 1,000 USD. The next pair is crash. That we already done with that one. Kuna wali semanga I be sending setup, but I think I did send setup ya. I did send setup ya crash. Yes, I did send setup ya crash 500. So there is no need for me to send it again. The group. The setup is already there, and I said it's a buy, and I think I've explained why I gave a buy. The second trade we are talking about today is crash 300. That is the second pair in my pair. I'm gonna make it very easier for you, very, very easy. One of them very easy to analyze volatility na nini. So our market inakaa hivyo. One thing to identify kama trader, trend ya market tumetoka side ya juu tunashuka chini. Then it has something like this. It has something like that, like this. So, oh my God, what did I? Oh, the pen. the best thing you do is to draw a channel for your market. Now our market is going up, down, up, down. So dots za tatu, the 3 dots for a channel, they're supposed to be on the upper side of the market, because our market is forming on the lower side. Our 3 dots will be formed. We're gonna do the 3 dots on the upper side of the market, and then like that. Because our market has been originating from the upper side, falling down, and it has formed a bearish flag. This is a bearish flag. This market will have a long-term sell, but let's first wait and consider. Let us see. So this is on weekly. I have something like that. So at first I'm going to draw that, and then in case break the lower side, this is on weekly candlestick. I'm just drawing. I want to see. It's supposed to get up to here, there. If it ever break the lower side, right? Like that. Because this is a bearish. This is a bearish flag. Market originated from the upper side, dropped, and then formed this. Now our 3 dots, we're going to draw them on the upper side because our market is forming on the lower side. I do not know how to wanaelewa kenye namaanisha. But either way, that's how you draw a channel. Now, and then our market had this. Our market, now we go to daytime frame. Daytime frame, we have something like this, meaning our market is supposed to drop, right? We had this. We had a cup. This is a cup and handle. What does the market do? When the market breaks on the lower side, we usually measure the distance of the cup. This is on daytime frame, that uko nikonyewe tuko saizi daytime frame, and then it's supposed to drop, meaning our market for crash 300 should come up to here. Now it can decide either to go up. When it's done with the distance of the cup, it can decide to go up or drop down. So crash 300, kwa sababu hapa tuko na pattern. We have a pattern here. This one. This is a cup and handle. Because it's not a head and shoulder, you can see they are not. This, the level here. This one. They are not in the same position. So it qualifies to be a cup and handle. An inverted cup and handle. An inverted cup and handle look like this. This is how a cup and handle looks like. This one. This is the cup, and this is the handle. The handle should be smaller than the cup. You usually measure the distance of the cup. This is distant X. Distant X, when the market breaks this area, when it breaks the support, when the market breaks the support, this distant X, we measure distant X. That is exactly the distance the market is going to go. And when the market is done with distant X, this one, it's going to go back to buy. It's going to buy back up. By the way, this is what is going to happen with crash 300. It's going to drop up to here. And then it's going to buy from here back up. Because when the market is done with distant X, it goes back up distant X. When the market sells distant X, it's gonna buy back distant X. That is the rule. When the market goes distant X, it's gonna go back. Like this is what I mean. When the market sells up to this position, it's gonna go back, and that is a short trade. That market is going to go back up distant X. Why? We had a cup and handle, and the market dropped distant X. So crash 300 is supposed to sell up to this location. Yes, and then when it's done, it's gonna go up. It's as simple as that. We are done with the crash 300. That's it. Crash tumeona iko na cup and handle. We are supposed to measure the distance of the cup. It dropped the distance of the cup. It dropped your distance X. You can see they are almost done. Now kufanya retest. I really waited for this market to do a retest. They did not. I waited for them to get to halfway and then go back do a retest. They did not. Your trade ikanitoka hivyo. But I have no problem. They finish distant X on the lower side. Then we buy it back, distant X. Which other trade are we looking at for? Higher. Volatility, we are done with volatility. Kuna mse mwingine alikuwa ameniuliza trade hapa. Kuna trade nimeulizwa, sikuwa nimeiandika chini. I've seen another trade. Oh, V25-1S. V25-1S, I explain it. Na naona na watu wa V25-1S tulifanya jana. Walai, mtu si mkwe mna follow up aki video zenye nafanya. Kwa sababu kushana nimejirudia every time. Pairs the same, it's quite kazi mob. Ni kazi mingi kushana nimejirudia. Like we did that pair yesterday. And we said it's gonna buy. Acha nikuonyesha, hata siifanyi. I did it yesterday. Okay, fine. Wacha basi ni explain. Kuna mse niliambia wacha wafanye it's gonna give us a good buy. Mwenye ameinsistia hii V25 wacha ni mark. Wacha ni mark. Wacha ni mark V25-1S. V25-1S itatupea trade poa. Wacha nionyeshe ni kwa nini nasema hivi. V25-1S tuliichora tu. Sorry, what am I doing? V25-1S, sorry, wacha nirudishe hivi. V25-1S kumbukeni tukichora hii jana. Tukasema wakuja wafanye hii test hapa. Kwa sababu trend ni buy, we have this. We are waiting for them to do a retest. Even with daytime frame. We are waiting for V25-1S to do a retest. I can't send this setup because every time, if I send this setup on my Telegram, some people will think I'm giving a trade instantly. That's why sometimes no, unless ni trade na patiana entry, siezi tuma setup kama nikituma. Some people who don't usually come and view my videos will go instantly and just place a trade. Alright, so V25-1S tulifanya jana, and we said this. We said it's going up. Hivyo. This is on monthly. Tukasema iko na resistance hapa juu. Let me even do it again. Basi haraka. Sitaki mtu yote a feel left out. But be coming over for the videos. Tukachora resistance monthly, tuko V25-1S monthly. This is what we have. We draw the support resistance, that is the neckline, just in case it forms a double top. Oh, sorry, God, what am I doing? Just in case it forms a double top, we have that. And then tuko na kitu kama hiyo. And the reason why yesterday I said I will view this differently is, for me, what I'm seeing a whole different, because of the way this is slanted here and everything. Naona hivi. I think nikukaa kwa chat sana. I can see channels even before I draw them. And then I have this. So I'm waiting for V25-1S to touch this area. Today is on Tuesday. Today is Tuesday. So I'm waiting for them to behave. I'm waiting for them to do a retest. Even let me remove that resistance. I'm waiting for them to come and touch this area. We buy it, kiguza hii area. So it's gonna do a retest. It's gonna do a retest here and then go up this distant X. The reason why I'm insisting it's gonna buy, because the market originated on the lower side, then went up like that. So V25-1S, V25-1S should buy up to there, but it's not yet a ready buy. Usibuy saa hizi, not yet a ready buy. The retest is not yet done. We wait for it to do a retest, V25-1S, and then we're gonna buy it from this position. And I insist, and this is on weekly. Ujue unaona time frame inaangalia, it's on weekly. That's why I'm insisting. It's not yet ready for a buy, because I'm considering day time frame and like that. I'm waiting for even for the day time frame. Let me show you. If you touch here, wait a minute. The market touch here and here. The market is forming on the upper side. So dot za tatu will be on the lower side. And I bring it to touch this one, this one, this one. You see this area? This one, this one. I'm waiting for that market to touch here. If it touch that area, we're gonna buy it. Wait for the market to touch that area, then we buy it from there up to here. Wait for it to do a retest, and this is what we call this one. What we call this one a bullish flag in Forex. That pattern is called a bullish flag, which is the last pair I'm looking at. And then like and share with your friends or anyone you want aone hizi videos, especially zenye nafunzana, especially za usiku. They are way important more than I think kufanya hivi, but zote ni important. Which other pair was I supposed to look for? Tumefanya cash 500, cash 600, so I'm supposed to go to Forex kwa sababu V251S venye niende Forex. Nifanye Forex nitafanya hizo mbili. Nimeona pair za Forex. Is this about crash? Oh. 1 minute tena nione. Sawa? Na kuna time na pause nioneka kuna comments zimeingia zenye sijaona. Aya, pia gani nyingine tunaangalia ya mwisho hapa? Naangalia pia gani next ilikuwa V251S V250. Na hii gold mnapenda tushine tumeiangalia daily basis. Daily gold. Sinyo hii nilisema inakaa hivi. Inafai buy distant X. Na mnapenda gold. Mnapenda ipe. You people really love gold. A lot. Gojea, kuna nipia gani natafuta? Pound USD. Mseme niambia ni analyze pound. Oh, before tuende V25-1S. 1 minute. Change. Najua gold ndio iko na pesa, but here the rate in which you people love gold, it's crazy. Sasa mnaona venye hii ni V25-1S V250 V251S. Unaona mpaka chart yake si, wacha niende day. Sababu in V251S ni yenyewe nafanya hata ni hapa nataka nini, nataka chart poa, but sipati chart. Naenda 12 hours kwa sababu zote, this is a new chart and it's very congested. Hii ni pattern ilikuwa hapa. Kaa uko nayo hii sell. Si ni Quasimodo. Sorry. This is Quasimodo pattern. And this is on 12 hours. It had a pattern here. I can already even see the pattern. It had a pattern here. Shoulder, head. It's supposed to drop up to upper. V251S. V251S inafai drop hadi 1863.38. It has a pattern. This is a shoulder, this is a head. It's already obeying. It's supposed to come up to this level. If it breaks on the lower side, we're going to measure this distance. That is the distance that market should drop to. Inafai ianguke hadi huku. But in one condition, ikuja break hii support. Ikuja break hii support. If it breaks this support, you're going to measure the distance of the head, which is here. And this one is even 8 hours, let's see, 6 hours. It has the same thing, obeying the rules. Shoulder, this one is a Quasimodo. This market should drop hadi hapa. This is hadi hapa 1805. If it breaks this support, you measure the distance of the head. That is the distance the market is going to drop. Sawa? Haya. Nataka ni venye tukihama tuamie ni pia gani ya mwisho nafanya. V251S, I think nime explain. V251S ndio hiyo. Iko na easy. Unajua maybe watu wengi mmeona double bottom, that's why mnafikiria hiyo market itapanda juu. Mnashindwa kwa nini haipandi? Najua mnashindwa kwa nini hiyo market ulikuwa umeona double bottom. Kwa nini hiyo soko haipandi? Kwanza hiyo hata hiyo si double bottom, ni ile nini. But ukikuja kwa hizi time frame ndogo utaona hiyo head and shoulder. You will see the head and shoulder. This one. Kwanza it's a Quasimodo, it's a nini. That market should drop up to here. V251S supposed to drop up to here. If it breaks, you measure the distance of the head. The distance market itaenda side ya chini. Haya, another pia mnataka tuangalie ya mwisho ya volatility. Kuna msee ameniambia hapa umeruka V50. Kwani uko na trade ya V50? Hata I do not know V50 how V50 imekuwa ikibehave from the new charts. I haven't checked on V50 for a while. Let me see. Rules ni zile. Hiyo already mpaka naanza kuona double top na weekly. Damn. Chart yake inakaa hivi. That is on monthly. Trust. Tuweke line hapo juu. So sijui na huku mbele wako na nini. I can't tell ni nini wako nayo huku mbele. So I can't really depend on information ya 2019. I can't really tell what is beyond here. That is okay. No problem. Who has asked for me for this trade? Surely. Hii market iko on weekly. Hii market iko na nini hapa juu? Hii ni double top. Rules za double top lazima ikuje kwa neckline. Neckline hapa. Leave alone na huko juu hata hatujui ni nini kunaendelea. And this is one candlestick na represent weekly. This is a double top here, darling. Meaning the market should come to the neckline. The neckline it's at this position. Simple. This is a double top. Lazima first to come kwa neckline. This is the neckline. Where our market bounced to form the last high. Our second high. So the market should come up to this area. And that is on weekly. Let's go on daytime frame. Daytime frame, we have this. Angalia. Yeah. This is double top. Hata na daytime frame. It has a double top hii kubwa. Hii na hapa. Na still iko na double top kadogo hapa. Ilikuwa na double top kengine hapa. Meaning double top yetu si ilitoka hapa. Si market inafairudi hapa. This is the area V50 nafai kuje. So I insist again, we trade a lot of patterns. So this is the reason unasikia niki insist on patterns. And to be the songs I will sing for the longest. Learn patterns zote. Sawa. So this is a double top. The market should drop up to hapa. Hiyo ni double top, market inafaa. Ukiona tu double top, learn. Double top, the moment tunaona double top. The moment you see a double top like this. And I said this, na mkumbuke. Here and here, this is a double top. You can see utu double top tuwili. The market originated from here. It should come back up to here. So V50 is on sale. That's it. Up to this, Jeffrey, up to 248.86. Yeah, 85.0. Oh yeah, volatility, I think we are done. Kuna kitu ingine? Volatility, I think we are done. We go to Forex. Forex, we had pound USD. Pound USD. Euro card. And the last pair was what? Euro card, Euro pound. And the other pattern again, the Forex, I think there were only 3. Oh, USD chef. USD chef was number. Oh, karibu niruke njoki. USD chef. Pound USD, Euro card. Good. Aya. Na any nimepita. The Forex, I think I'm done. Aya. Twendeni Forex. Those are the last. Hizo ni zenye nitakava za mwisho. Sijui kwa nini yangu inatokea hivyo. Tuanzie na pound USD. I'm gonna start with pound USD. Analysis ever nilisema you start from monthly. Monthly ni yenyewe inakuonyeshanga what is supposed to happen with the other pairs, right? So we have something like that. The first thing we look for is support. Resistance is around there. Support and resistance, eh? This is on monthly candlestick. So we got again. So this is monthly candlestick. It's a long time. This is this month, the whole of January. In the candlestick ya January in a form. This one. So we had this. We'll take a trend line from the lowest position to a second position. Then the next thing I'm gonna draw. There, I'm gonna draw that trend like there because I can't put a straight line. Mtu asiniuliza kwa nini sijaweka straight line. It make sense. It's gonna break. Itakata hii side ya juu. It's gonna break the upper side. So there's no need for us to. We can't put a line, a resistance on that position. We're gonna use a trend line. Meaning our market has formed what? We are coming from the upper side. Our market has formed a bearish. So what I usually do, measure the distance of the bearish leg. No, wedge, sorry. So this market is supposed to. And then yesterday kidogo. You remember me telling you about, I know to a lot of people it won't be, there's something I want to show you. I said this on yesterday. Kidogo tu, even let me remove these lines. Kidogo tu, let me show you something I showed you yesterday. Sijuka watu shika Kenya na maanisha. There's something like this. I said, hii nakuanga kinda, nika double top. But so many traders, they do not know it. This one, the same thing. You see this, what we have here is what we have here. And the most important area is the neckline here. Market yetu ija break neckline kidogo tu. Our market hasn't, let me just first remove this one. Our market hasn't broken the neckline. You see, this is why it's behaving the way it's behaving here. And I said, instead uletewe double top, siku hizi market inakuleteanga kitu kama hii. Which ndio hiyo iko kwa screen. Inaitangwa, where am I forgetting the name of, I'll tell you about this pattern tonight. I said it yesterday night, and I said, instead of the market giving you a double top, which like ingekuwa inatoshana hapa, they give you a pattern like this one. So the market is supposed to come here and break this neckline. If we didn't get the entry on the pale juu, place ingine ya kuget entry ni hapa. But I'll wait for them to break this neckline. And that is on monthly. But kwa trader wengine, we're gonna treat it as a, sorry. We're gonna treat it as a bearish. Like this one. We're gonna treat it as a bearish. So it's supposed to drop. And this one is a double top. It's like, it's kinda, kuna venye inaitangwa, I'm not remembering that name. But I remember the name of this pattern. Because it's very, very important. Yes, we have this one. It's supposed to drop the distance of X. This one. It's supposed to drop distance X like that. So we need it to come and break this neckline here. It's very important for it to break that position. Probably it can go up. Sidhani kama itaenda juu, but let's wait for it to break that position. I think now this one is a bit more clear. Now acheni niweke side to side. Naona hivi. Can you see it like that? This one. Is it not? It's this pattern. Like this side is higher than this. This is the pattern. So it has a rule. Like the market is supposed to come and break the neckline. Wait for the market to break here with day candlestick, by the way. When the market break with day candlestick here, you're gonna sell it up to this position. And still remember, we have a bearish wedge coming to the same position. So for pound USD, we're gonna wait for it to break the neckline, and the neckline is this level, 1.2, 1.20, 39.09. If it breaks that position, it's supposed to drop up to this area. It's supposed to come, break this neckline. Because this one is kind of double top. Okay, see double top venye mnaiona. It usually have it has a characteristic, all characteristic. It has all characteristics za a double top or a double bottom, kwa sababu zinakuwa either diversion. Hii side iko hivi, iko hivi. Ukikuja kwa support, hii side yenyewe imeanza every time. The starting side has to be smaller than the other high. Mr. Juven, I explain. I think I've done the illustration and still I have seen it here. That's why I'm insisting. This side is low, this one is high. As the rule says, this is what is going to happen. This is what we have. So the lower side is usually like this on the support side. On the resistance side is usually like that. So we're gonna wait for it to break here. They break here, the market will drop up to here. And that's it. That one is a short trade. You go to the next one. You go to the next one. The next pair was Let's go to USD chef. USD chef, right? Unataka kuniambia sina USD chef hapa. We go to USD chef. So we have agreed. We wait for pound USD to break the neckline, which is 1.2390. If it break your level, when it breaks 1.20090, na hizi namba zote niko na shika kitambo, sijui saa hizi kanaweza shika. Hiyo level yenye pound USD nafaa i break ni 1.2390. Yes, it's supposed to break that. If it breaks that level and that candlestick ifunge, ni kumaanisha candlestick ya day, like today iishe, si soko ufunguliwa saa 6, I have to check at midnight kama market may break. That is not usually the right time ya kupress trade. You usually wait for spread zishuke and then you can press your trade. But for now, we wait for pound USD to break that level of 1.20390. That is the level that pound USD is supposed to break. Natafuta USD chef yenye nafungua. The next one, new chart USD chef. Good. Hii hata nishaona kwenye tunaelekea already bila even kushina nikiangalia vitu mingi. I can already see it had a double bottom, and that's why I told people, hizi vitu zote ni patterns, man. Hizi vitu zote ni pattern. Look. Look. And huku ni wapi? Tuko monthly. It's very, very important, and I insist, it's very, very important to do your analysis from monthly. They give you long term. You see, this is USD chef on monthly. Inakaa hivyo. You draw support, resistance huku juu. You have that. What else? I draw support, dogo. Tena. I draw support here. Our neckline is on this position. Yeah. They have already even wamerudi mpaka kwa neckline. Interesting. That was on monthly. Monthly washarudi mpaka kwa neckline. This is our first this is our first low, a low. Wamerudi hadi kwa neckline. So if they break this position, the next position they're gonna come to, the area they're gonna come to ni here. Because we are on monthly candlestick, right? The area they're gonna come in here. If they break here, they're gonna come up to this area, and that is on monthly candlestick. We go on weekly candlestick, we see we're gonna see the same thing. We had a double bottom. You can see they are unable to break our neckline. Hawaja break neckline yetu. You can see the market where it is. It's unable to break our neckline. So the next thing as a trader, naangalianga, ukiangalia hii kitu yote ikiwa hivi, the whole chart, it's looking like that. You can see this area seems like an inverted head and shoulder. We can place a line there. Let me even mark it. We can have an inverted head and shoulder. Our market can drop up to this area, then go back up, or it can break this area because we have a double bottom. If they break with the weekly candlestick this area, you're gonna continue going up. So we wait, we see how they behave. We wait and see how they behave. You can see we had a double bottom. Memaliza, that was a nice trade. Ilinipita. Wow. That market will wait for USD chef to break the neckline. It's supposed to break 0.921442. If it doesn't, they can form an inverted head and shoulder. So that is not a good place to place a buy or a sell. Because two things can happen. They can play along with the inverted head and shoulder and the market drops, or the double bottom which we have, they can break the neckline, the market proceed going up. So USD chef, I'm not so sure where we're heading to now, but at the end of the day, it goes opposite direction of Euro USD and Pound USD. So if Pound USD break the neckline and decide to drop, because still Pound USD tumeona haija break neckline. Now this is where news zinakujanga in. Either zikuje break hizo neckline, easy resistance. This one, they break the resistance, and for Pound USD, they break the support. Because USD chef goes opposite direction of Euro USD and Pound USD and Audi. It doesn't usually go the same direction. If they go on buy, it goes on sell. If they go on sell, it goes on buy. If you can see, let me show you. The whole of this week, the whole of this week, USD chef has been going on buy. You can see what has been happening with Euro USD. Pound USD, it has been going on sell. Even Euro USD, where is Euro USD? Euro USD, it has been going on day. It has been going on sell. It has been going on sell. And what has been USD chef doing? It has been going on buy. So USD chef, what is the time? Nimepitisha time yangu kwa hapa. I'm supposed to be here for exactly 1 hour. USD, I need to go back to sleep. Niliamka mapema. My bro went for vacation today. So nilikuwa naenda kudrop. And I'm feeling sleepy. He made a lot of money. Huyu kijana wacha aende vacation in January. I'm still not in a mood to kuanzia vacation. Nataka kuanza kutafuta pesa. So USD chef goes opposite of Euro USD. So Euro USD iko sell. That's why unaona USD chef iko imekuwa buy. Now Euro USD today is buying. Even let me give you an example. You can see USD chef today is selling. Candlestick ya leo Euro USD kana buy. Na USD chef inaonyeshana. Unaona mpaka magnitude ya candlestick. It's almost the same size. Which other one was I covering? So for Pound USD, we have said we wait for it. Pound USD, we have said we wait for it to break the support. USD chef, we have said it has a double bottom, so it's supposed to break the neckline. Hawaja break neckline, imesimama hapo. That is not a trade I will tell you to enter at the moment. We wait for it to break the neckline. USD chef, if it breaks the neckline, it's going to continue going up. But I've said this, for you to know where your USD chef is heading to completely, you have to know where your USD is heading to. And we said your USD is still on a sell. Sometime it has to go on a sell for a while. Zikuwa na hizo Audi, zikuwa na Pound USD, but Pound USD to go J break neckline, right? Which was I supposed to check on? USD chef. Next ni nini? Euro, pound. Well, okay. Euro pound. Euro pound inakaa hivyo. Euro pound inakaa hivyo. On monthly, first we draw the support. resistance hadi hapo. Kitu na notice hapa na monthly hapa hivi chini, hii market ilikuwa na double bottom hapa. Double bottom yetu ilikuwa imeoriginate hapa. Sawa? Nataka kuonyesha nini nataka kuangalia. We had a double bottom here. Market yetu haijai nini? Haijaifika hapa. Kwa hii resistance kwenye nini ile yetu ilitoka. Our double bottom has never been completed, right? So our market is moving up, down. So I'm going to do this. I'm going to use a channel. Our market is forming on the lower side. So I'm going to draw the channel on the upper side. Then I'm going to bring it on the lower. We have something like that. This is on monthly. We go on weekly. Weekly time frame, I have this. Wait, something else I've realized on weekly time frame. If I put a support, we have a double bottom here. This is on weekly, and pound, euro pound here. We have a double bottom here. Hapa and hapa. Meaning the market is supposed to go up. We take a trend line from the highest position to our second position here. You can place that trade when it breaks this area, or if you don't, you can, let me see. We have this. We had a double bottom kwa day. Sasa tumetoka weekly tumeona bado double bottom. Kwa day tumeona in this. This is a double bottom, right? Ilitoka wapi double bottom yetu? Ilitoka hapa juu. Even leave alone this one. We have a double bottom here. Euro pound is supposed to come up to this level. It originated hapa, ikakuja hadi hapa, formed a double bottom. This is a double bottom. Our neckline was broken. The market hasn't done a retest yet, but the market is supposed to buy up to here, where our market originated from, 0.86244. That's one. So the market, euro pound, and that is daytime frame. It should buy. Ata my people, even let me even show you. Look at it, even 4 hours. You can see even the 4 hours. The 4 hours, they have a perfect double bottom. That is 4 hours. Our market ilitoka huku juu. Our market originated from here. Euro pound should, euro pound should buy up to here. There. It should go up there because we have a double bottom originated from here. Should come up to there. Any other question? Which other pair did they leave behind? Oh, I have only one pair. Euro card. That is the last pair I'm covering up today. Afu niende. I really need to sleep. Niliamka mapema. I woke up very early. I'm usually up by 3. I work for like, I naangalia trades. I usually stay up. Nikiamka, it depends. Kuna sometimes I force myself to sleep. And I'm like, I want to sleep. Some zingine najisikia tu naamka kuangalia trades kwenye ziko venye zina behave kama saa hizi zenye niko nazo za volatility. Euro card. All right. Oh, tiaza kuna na nyingine sketchy. So this is what we have for Euro card. Hii chart inakaa tu sketch, inakaa weird. But inafaa ikuje hapa even without mimi kufanya. Why? Remember hii niliwaambia hii pattern ni double bottom. Okay fine, haikuangi si double bottom but it plays rules of double bottom. So hiyo market inafaa iende hadi huku, but still nafanya hivi kidogo tu. Nataka kufanya hivi hii. Chore trend line kutoka hapa kuja hapa, ona. Hiyo market imebreak. So they want us to treat it as a what? Kidogo. I'm trying to reason na hii chart kidogo tu. I'm trying to reason if I try to reason na hii chart. I'm trying to reason with this chart kidogo tu. I'm trying to reason now. I'm trying to reason na hii chart. Nione napenda kuna mi market inaelekea mostly na monthly. Na ningeangalia hapa hii ni nini sasa? Hata nichore venye tu ningeingia kwa chart nichore. I make sense. Kidogo. Nda kurizona na hii chart nione. Pana bado. Nataka kuuliza na hii chart ina consolidate. Hii market inakaa iko na double top, okay sawa. Hii market iko na double top huku juu. Ona. Double top, double top, double top. Kwanza ni triple tops. Triple tops zilitoka wapi? Zilitoka hapa. On daytime frame, the market has double tops. 1, 2, 3. And they originated from here. I'm not so sure. Let me say this one. I'm not so sure about EuroCAD. EuroCAD and the rest, I am not so sure. I'm not so sure. Na dimenye tuendelee, dimenye niangalie hii EuroCAD. I really need to check on CAD Chef. So if I'm not so sure about EuroCAD, the other pair which can give me a bit of direction, because this one I can see a double top on this time frame. So I do not know if they're gonna drop chini. They have a double. It has a double top, like we have a double top here. So I do not know if this market is dropping up to this area. We have double top here. So I do not know if this market will drop up to this area. Kama rule double top, and hii we have double tops pale juu. Nataka kuishi kwa vizuri muone. Tuko na double tops. Nilisema hii si breakout. Hii ni week 2. That's why the market never proceeded up. This is what I was talking about yesterday. The market never was not able to break with the body on the upper side. And this one we have double tops. So I'm not so sure if we are coming back down here or we are going to drop. I'm not so sure. But for me to confirm kabisa where Eurocard will go to, or the direction Eurocard will go to, I will go to this chart. I will go to card chef. Sababu card chef dictates the direction sana, direction ya pairs ziko na card. If card chef has strength, any pair against card is going to drop. If card chef has strength, any pair against card is going to drop. Like, let me give you an example. If Eurocard, you can see Eurocard has been dropping. Eurocard. That's meaning if you go right now, if you open card chef, because we have seen Eurocard has been on sale. Eurocard imekuwa on sale. Eurocard has been on sale. Now, meaning if Eurocard has been on sale, meaning card is strong. So card chef should be going on buy. Should be on buy. Trend yake for maybe this week. Let's open and see. We're gonna compare the both chart. Muone kenye namaanisha. So if I'm not able to get a good direction on Eurocard, I'll come and look for. I'll go look for card chef to see what is card dictating, so that I can come and wait, because already I know Euro is on sale. So Euro imekuwa ikiuza against USD, imekuwa ikisell, imekuwa ikishindwa nguvu na USD sana. But si kwa pia zote, usijiekea ati ni pia zote. Kuna pia zingine sasa ukiweka Euro na pound and zote ziko sell, you're gonna find that pair is just consolidating that same condition situation. So let's go. Eurocard, as I said, Eurocard has been on sale. Nona, this is on day time frame. Imekuwa ikifanya nini? Imekuwa ikianguka. And what has card chef been doing? Imekuwa ikibuy. Today, card chef is selling. Let's see what is happening with Eurocard. Eurocard is buying. So, if I can't really tell where, and this is the benefit of knowing those small secret of Forex. If you can't really tell where a certain pair is going, the direction of that pair, there is a pair which dictates for that pair. So if you have those small details. So for Eurocard, to what I can see, card chef inaonyeshana. Card chef inaonyeshana iko na card double bottom, nikaa inaenda buy. So Eurocard itashuka. Eurocard will sell. Your double top ya Eurocard they will sell. But I won't place trade. See Pendi, it has a lot of consolidation which doesn't make sense. And then the chart is not that pleasing. Chart yake inakuanga zigzag. And then sipendangi market inadictatiwa na hii inadictatiwa na hii. Itakupea hectic time. Which is the last pair? Yes, I think I'm done. If Euro, wacha nikwambie, ni pound, ni Euro pound, tume nini, hakuna nini nyingine. I think that's it. That's it for today. Wacha nionyeshane card kama nimeona. Naambia card inakaa hivi. Card on weekly ukiweka line hapa. Nakaa hivi. So high chances card is going to go up. I don't know. I have a feeling it's going to go up. or iendelee kushuka. I do not know. Tukiguzisha hapo market ili break. Wait kidogo tu. Market ili break side za chini na wakafanya retest. This is monthly, meaning hii inafaishi huko kote. It has a bearish, whatever. Let me see. Give me a minute, let me see. This is card chef, on monthly. But it breaks side ya chini. So we market on the real sense nafaa ianguke hadi hapo. So we go on weekly. And I'm gonna use a channel. I'm gonna touch juu. Market yetu ina form side ya juu. Dots za tatu nitaziweka side ya chini. Hivi. So I do not know if this market want to come up to this area, then drop. Or another interesting thing I will do, I'll put a line there. We wait for it to give a clear direction. But USD chef mwenyewe udictatea cut chef. Cut chef udictatea pia za cut chef udictatea pia za card. And it goes very opposite direction with USD card. They go opposite. USD card chef goes opposite direction of USD card. Najua saa hizi card inapanda na USD inapanda. USD card has to be having a lot of consolidation at the moment. And then, I forgot to update. Nitarudi VIP. Leo ni date 14. I was supposed to announce about the VIP today. Nitarudi, but still nitakuwa nakuja kufanya analysis. Hiyo ina shida. My VIP won't affect anything. I'll update by jioni. Nitaresume kesho. Nitaanzia kupeana signal kuanzia date 20. Date 26. Acha nita-announce leo. Nitaanza kupeana date 26. Ebonga lieni gold nilisema watapanda. They did a retest. Gold lazima wataenda juu. Ona. They did a retest yesterday. Hiyo market itabuy. Market ya gold itabuy. Acha niende nitatafuta entry. Nimeiona vizuri na 4 hours. 4 hours inaonyeshana hiyo buy vizuri. Acha nitoke hapa niangalie vizuri. I just check on it before I sleep. I think that is it for today. Nataka kunini? I think that's it. That's it for today. Any other question? Share videos, share with whatever mko naye. Like and share na mwenye unataka aone. And then kutoka hapo, I think tutasaidia. Nini nyingine hakuna anything. Nita-announce I'll announce VIP in a few. Wacha nirudi kwa sababu I'm already paid by people and I need to go back. I need to go back. Nifanye. VIP unisaidia juu ya kuconcentrate. Sika hii ingine ati nitapeana trade and then ninyamaze. VIP hata negative kuhold huko na kwambia inakuanga noma juu so inakuanga nayo a bit strict and then hata kutoka trades. So hakuna kitu kingine. Boom 900 imepanda. good. Trade zangu zote ziko sawa. Nataka kulea account yenye niko nayo ya si gold tumeongelea nini mtaniwa na gold. Si tumeongelelea gold tukasema nitabai. Gold mkwe careful nayo. Juu walai naona saizi haiheshimu, inaweza enda na Euro USD, inaweza panda na dollar index. So like let me get a good confirmation yake. To what I have, let me get a good confirmation and then to trade. Any just joint. Tusha cover hizo vitu. You will see, utaiona baadaye. I think I did even gold yesterday. I did gold yesterday. So tomorrow we cover up kenye hizo vitu zingine. Hakuna kitu ingine nafaa niseme. Kitu yenye nitarudi hata nirudi VIP, nitarudi kusomesha watu. Nitarudi tu kufanya nini? Nilifanya nilifanya jana analysis ya gold. Nikamwambia kwanza muachane nayo. There's a reason yesterday I said first muachane nayo. Kwa sababu as much as naona buy, kuna venye hiyo chart haileti shangwe. Sijui nitawaelezeaje. Kuna venye hii market inaenda. Kama ni mimi kukaa, I think mimi kukaa kwa soko sana. I tend to learn. Naona bullish flag which kwa daytime frame wacha nionyeshe kenye niko kwa screen yangu. Niko na kitu kama hii. Hata sifanyi analysis mingi, acha na analysis, acheni niwachore. Market yetu inakuja hivi. Inakuja hivi. Now for me to draw a channel, our market is forming on the upper side. So because it's on day candlestick, I'm gonna draw my trend line. I'm gonna make sure it has touched like 3 position or 2. I want it to touch 3 positions like that. Hivo. And then hivi. Like 1, 2, and 3. And then I'm going to bring this one on the upper side. You can see. So if you measure distant X, if it plays along, you measure distant X. This one. Kitu ingine mtu mwingine anaweza fanya kama trader. If this one itakupea stress. If this one will make sense. Unaiogopa. Chukua trend line, weka hivi. Now, trend line make sense, do you know? Nime break na ikarudi chini, hiyo ni make sense, but nikiweka channel haijabreakiwa. Ona. Market ili break, wakafanya mpaka retest. That is gold on later. So let me wait for, I see how they behave today. Jusijifeel kuibai. Kuna tu nini instincts zangu zinakataa ninunue. So ni hayo kwa sasa. I think that's it. Nime overstay hapa. Have a lovely night. A lovely day. Tupatane jioni. Nifunzane stori za double top. Leo nitaanzia na double top. Double top na double bottom. Tupatane at 8. Nisomeshe double top na double bottom. And then That's it. I think hizo pairs ziko enough for today. See you baadaye. I'm having trades zangu ziko profit sana, mostly za deliver. I'm in very, very good profit. So I didn't see that perspective from a channel. Interesting. Yeah, welcome. Utaiona utaiona. Unakumbuka jana niliwape boom crash 900. Nilisema double bottom lazima market ifanye nini? But I'm not usually wasting my time here. I know I will help like 2-3 people. Even if I have a lot of people, I know few people are going to learn something. And that's what matters. Mimi nilikuwa naingia live videos, si live videos za watu, nilikuwa naingia kuangalia Kenya mtu anafanya. You gonna learn one step at a time. Utafika tu utalearn, utajua venye inafanywa. So I see you baadaye jioni. Have a lovely day. Let me go sleep. I wake up at around 10. I sleep up to around 1-2. See you guys, bye.